Welcome to the east coast of Malaysia. Are you surprised yet? Because I am. This place looks actually pretty beautiful, I'm gonna tell you. I didn't know as Malaysia have such a beautiful beaches here. I mean, like in the continental, not on the island like Langkawi or Penang. This is just the east coast, 4 hours drives from the Kuala Lumpur city center. That's the really nice looking beach. It's actually 5 p.m. right now. So many people chilling. It's actually long weekend right now in Malaysia. It's a little bit busier, and this is very nice looking beach over here. The name of the beach and the village here is Tempek Cempedak, and it's pretty nice place. Also, to come here from Malaysia is about 275 kilometers, and the road is taking you around, journey taking you around 4.5 hours of driving, also with the breaks for the coffee and bathroom and all of this stuff. Definitely worth to show you, and this is I gonna be here for 2 days. I'm gonna show you around. The first beach, gonna go to another destination. Of course, except that, as there is pretty beautiful beach in the east coast of Malaysia. There are many, shops and the restaurant. There's McDonald's, Starbucks, 7-Eleven, some places to eat. A little bit cozy vibe, not so big parking area, not so over touristy here, but it's pretty nice. I think not so many tourists, like international tourists, visiting this place, but in my opinion, it's actually pretty cool. It's not as popular like Langkawi or Penang, perhaps, or Malacca or any other places what basically I visited yet, but first impressions are pretty cool. I'm gonna go to another destination to show you around, and I want to show you also like a 1-minute shot from the highways, how they are looking in Malaysia. The motorways actually are pretty nice, and the traffic situation is also very moderate.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart.
Even all of this, what you see today, is considering as is busy, because there is obviously long weekend, so many people came from Kuala Lumpur and other big cities to enjoy the long weekend, because on Monday is the King's birthday. So yeah, but overall, this is how it is here. Also, they even have a Starbucks, as I mentioned, Starbucks facing directly the ocean, and mostly local people just chilling here. Quite a lot of people also looking at me here, so that's the sign. There's really not so many international visitors coming to these places. Oh, there will be even live performance here. And last shot of the beach. Pretty cool. Also very high, very strong wind today, which is very enjoyable because it's very hot in general. Here the monkeys working at the front of the subway. I hope so they're not gonna jump into me, right? Here we go. Also, this hotel is Hyatt Regency here, so you can stay if you would like to come for the weekend break or maybe holidays perhaps. And this monkey over here enjoying the can of Coke. Monkeys know what is good, right? Alright, after a long journey, it's time to check into the hotel in the city center of Kuantan, east coast of Malaysia. Of course, I'm gonna show you everything around today. We came by this car, obviously, but this is very nice Maserati with the beautiful color. You know that I like the car, so I'm gonna show you. Exactly, the name of the hotel is the Zenith Hotel Kuantan. It's already after sunset, but we arrived to the Cheranting. We're gonna have a dinner here. But I also want to show you one of the really nice pristine beaches here. Also, the area over here is very rustic. It's totally different than the western part of Malaysia. There is the wall, there's something, but after that you don't have anything, just the empty beach. Just literally few people only here. It's already darkish. You can see the moon. It's gonna be reddish. It's full moon, I think, tomorrow. And yeah, also the climate here is totally different kind of the trees. A little bit like a Mediterranean here. Check this out, it's very dark, but I'm still trying to show you. Yeah, like a very Mediterranean vibe. There is the Club Med, Club Med restaurant. I think this one. No, it must be this one over there. And this is the only beach, just literally pristine. Like I said, totally different than the West Coast, and yeah, it's something different today. And that's also the moon, what I mentioned. And also in the background, I can see. I will try to zoom it for you a little bit. It's already after sunset, like a half hour, so it's gray, everything. But I can imagine this during the daytime. It must be even more prettier than it's now. You have some rocks. Now is the middle high tide, I believe. This is also actually the area of the Churchill Sanctuary. You can stop it and read it. Actually, this is very interesting. You can watch the turtles, how they're coming from the water. Not sure if you're gonna see, but this is the instructions. You have to be quiet, so maybe I'm not gonna talk anything now. That's pretty cool, something totally different. And we're gonna have a dinner. And if you are interested more about the Kuantan, don't worry, because tomorrow we have a whole entire day to explore the Kuantan and the area surroundings, of course. This is the purpose of today's trip.
I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it's tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes.
Alright, and now it's dinner time. Eventually it's 8 o'clock. We go out from Kuala Lumpur at 12, before 12, and now it's dinner time. This is the Park Sud restaurant. Let's see how's the food inside. Loud bikes in Malaysia as well, unbelievable. Anyways, that's the situation here. This is still outside the Kuantan city. There are actually quite a lot of restaurants and not much after that. It's already dark night and the full moon, of course, out there. And that's how does it look like inside the restaurant. Very similar like any other ones, but this one is pretty busy. I'm gonna tell you, this is maybe because of the holidays now. And let's see what they have it. Ikan Krai, that's the name. Looks actually cute fish. Yo, what's up, sweetie? Saying hi to Damian from the. Oh no, what's happened to you? She have a skill. She's drifting in the aquarium. Yo, what's up? Actually cool. This fish is doing really cool stuff. Anyways, this is the ugly fish what I had last time when I filmed the palm oil plantation. We have a what? We have a crabs here, the fresh crabs here and there, and then wow, that's the sharks. That's unbelievable. They have a sharks. Here we go, sharks. Yo, what's up? Lucky this shark is in aquarium. Okay, sharks. This fish looks ugly, but probably it's nice to eat. But looks ugly, lah. Okay, what else we have it? We have Californian scallops here. Here we go. They're looking good. I'm not into seafood, so I always eat fish. Probably one of them here. Well, I know, but that's true. And then we have Australian lobsters here. Check this out. They look actually pretty decent, and some of them, they are huge. Check this out. Look at this bad boy, and he's alive, but looks so dope. And they are Australian ones, so they are different. I think my friend Moo from Perth, when we were in Pinnacles, she had something like this. Such a cutie, isn't it? No, but I'm not eating seafood, but looks very good. And they are catch from the Australia. That's very interesting. You can find Australian lobsters here in Malaysia, in the east coast actually, in Kuantan. Very interesting. That's the lobsters looks decent. What is it? Californian geordak. That's interesting. I don't know what this. Never saw it like this before, to be honest. And of course the oyster. Oysters must be. This one a little bit smaller than this one of yesterday, but yeah. All of them, they look dope. And more people coming to see what's going on. And when I arrived 5 minutes ago, those tables were empty. Now they are full. Unbelievable. Alright, so the food is arriving slowly. That's the fish as the first dish, and there is also something, and the fried prawns, a little bit finished, and there was the soup as well. And then at the end, the lobster arrive, and this is the way how they cook it here. Alright, and this is my room for today, for tonight actually. It's already like at 10 p.m. when I'm filming it. Bed, the nice ambient TV, you know, regular stuff like in the hotel. Very nice chair for working on my video. This is actually a very good chair, you know, little sitting arrangement here. And also the view is already night, but I show you, this is the main street in this Kuantan city. This is the mall, and something is actually going on this stadium or something. So yeah, this is the room like this one. And also I'm gonna show you quickly the bathroom, regular stuff, you know. So toilet, sink, and also the shower concept with the bathtub. Also, this is the city hotel. You can find the beachfront hotel like a Hyatt Regency, what I showed you at the beginning of today's video. But due to the holidays, the long weekend in Malaysia recently, all the hotels are full book right now. So, well, we are still lucky as we actually got something like this one. So yeah, this is it. Our first day in Kuantan in the east coast of Malaysia, actually of Peninsular Malaysia, continental Malaysia. Tomorrow is another day from the east coast. I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.